Hello everyone, I am Saran Mahadev, overall head and the cloud computing head. I am delighted and honored to present the today's event. So this event is the 1 month anniversary of our club and the final event of entry level training program 2021. So this event is going to be the event of our club which we should all look forward for the next year like symposiums. So today we are going to present some reports. So all common heads and the domain heads are going to present their reports here. So first of all, I would like to welcome all the common heads to present their work. First, I would like to welcome Kausalya to present the competitive programming's current progress, and we will know their future plans for the club. So we will invite Kausalya for presenting her report. So Kausalya, take over from here.
Hello everyone, I am Kausalya, Head of Competitive Programming Domain. Muthu Selvan from second year has selected as a co-head. It's very easiest domain to get your knowledge, but the main thing you have is to full interest and the consistency. Saran Mahadev has posted a poll in Discord to know about which language is preferred from you people. Most of them have not responded, but the major response is going for the Python. So that we have started learning about Python, competitive programming in Python. I have already posted a video about what is competitive programming and two tutorials of it for Python basics. You people have more time to learn about Python, and the major advantage is you have already learned the Python in your first year except the lateral entry peoples. Lateral entry peoples, don't worry about that. It is a very easy language to learn. The video tutorial that I have posted. Check out the page to know about Python. In future, we have tried many programs to make it easy. I share many resources and videos according to that. Be consistent with your interest. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to DM in Discord. We are here to help you at any time. Have a great time with you. Bye. Take care. That's
Thank
it.
you, Kausalya, for the wonderful speech. So here, I would like to mention that try working in competitive programming. You will gain enormous problem solving skills. So try to participate in competitive programming events. Okay, so moving along, we have blogging head Reshma who is going to present her work. I want to take some time to give a applause for the Reshma because she has been conducting enormous work and she carried the blog, so you can see her amazing work in the blog. So gcscoders.ashnode.dev website. I want to personally thank Reshma for conducting an amazing job for the blogging team. So please everyone give your applause in the chat box. I want to give her applause because she is doing her work consistently. So Reshma, take over from here and give your report.
Hi everyone, I am Reshma, the blogging head. Yashwant from second year has selected as a co-head. Me and my team members were collected the articles from our classmates and posted it in a Hashnode website. We collected more than 30 articles from the classmates. We posted some interesting articles like Meta, Robotics, Internet of Things, Alexa, Tesla, etc. Our main motive is to ensure that everyone has an idea to create a content for website. No one has a perfect knowledge for anything with everything, but we gain and grow our skills every day. We need everyone to submit the task and put your efforts. In previous time, few of them will not working it properly. That's fine, but in upcoming days, I expect a good response from you all. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to DM in Discord. We are here to help you at any time. Like before, I have gathered the blogs from everyone and posted at the right time. Have a wonderful time with you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, Reshma. So I also request everyone to submit your blogs immediately once you receive the mail from blogging team. So moving forward, we have Pavitra, Elegance of Eloquence team head, who will report her work in the club. Pavitra, please take over.
Actual evening to all the members of GCS Coders. Many of you may have viewed my ID through the Discord. Yeah, I am Pavitra, Head of Elegance and Eloquence. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for being with us today. Yeah, you are all the reason for making this day much pleasure. Fine, we shall be going through what we have gathered and explored by the Elegance and Eloquence platform. From Skillopedia, I have shared tips for an impressive public speaking and how to overcome a spoken English fear. Also, we have some routine how to make a best seminars and how to make a perfect presentation. More than this, we are all some tips for a body language while presenting. I have suggested the best pronunciation learning app ELSA and have some posts and videos to tweak and polish up your English style. I am so delighted to introduce Ms. Selvageeta as a co-head of Elegance and Eloquence. We may have a fantabulous day ahead. In these days, we may have a lot of fun and lot of live interactive sessions. I shall conduct a more communicative section and I need all of your attention and cooperation. If anybody have any compliments, we are all there for you to make you all comfort. Try to interact and keep engaged with your words. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and try again. If you lost, don't forget to try and have a nice day. Thank you.
So as I have previously informed you all about the importance of communication skill, take the resources from the Elegance of Eloquence team and develop your skills. I assure you that once you start the work, you will get better and eventually you will achieve your final goal. So up and coming, we have Niranjana who is going to present the report in the industrial team. Niranjana, please take over.
I am Niranjana, Head of Industrialism Team from 3rd CSE. Being an Industrialism Team Head, I first and foremostly focused on Git and GitHub tools. I share the articles and video lectures on YouTube to get the basic knowledge of Git and GitHub tools. Apart from this, I fully focused on hacking tools, which is the one should everyone have the knowledge about. Then I share the few informations and links, video lectures about VirtualBox, Kali Linux, the main hacking tools which is used by the hack team. It is only because of that team to people get connected with their domains too. And then I shared some interesting links about virtual machines to get more about what is that. First 1 week I did this alone. After that, in the second week, our overall head Saran added 2 members from 2nd CSE, Melvin and Sivaranjani. I mentor them and give some instructions to them and let them follow that. I think it is more interesting and useful to them. I'll suggest Melvin as a co-head for our team. He does his work correctly and properly with my guidelines. I think he'll guide our team for our upcoming projects too. Lastly, industrialism is not all about the industries, companies and missions alone. It is all about the things and particulars we use wisely to get it simple. With coding knowledge alone, you will get a job, but with industrialism knowledge, you will become a superior in technical fields too. I wish you all to get that superior, and special thanks to our overall head Saran to this great initiative. Thank you all for your time, and thank you all on behalf of Industrialism team. Thank you.
Thank you, Niranjana. So I personally looked into your resources and gained a lot of knowledge about new tools, and everyone should make use of the Industrialism team. Request new tools from her and you will get the resources. Make sure you make your request and she will provide the resources. Moving further, we have newsletter head Tamilarasu, who is in charge of both department and club newsletter, will present his report. Tamilarasu, please take over.
Thank you, Saran. Good evening to all. This is Tamilarasu, newsletter head, and I am also in charge for CSE department newsletter. Aslam Sujan from second year choose as co-head. Newsletter is one of the common team in GCE Coders Club. Newsletter team consists 5 members. We collect the news from all the teammates and even coordinator. Also, we are attending the events in personally for get the information and photos for club newsletter. We collect the information from department side, faculty side and student side for department newsletter. In our team, we provide each and every activities and events of the club through the newsletter for our club members and our newsletter subscribers. We provide a club newsletter at weekly once. Every week, we update the newsletter in our official website. And personally, we send the email acknowledgement to all the club members and subscribers after updating the newsletter. We also post the link in Discord newsletter page. We provide department newsletter at 3 months once. The newsletter describes what happened in the department last 3 months. Our newsletter website is based on GitHub. We type the content in Typora. Typora is an app like Visual Studio Code and commit the content in GitHub. Then it automatically updates in the website. Then we send email using the website called campaign.com. Just see the chat box. We named the issue like this. First 2-digit content the month, then the 4-digit denote the year and the last 2-digit denote the week. Our newsletter is very useful for others who is not in the club and newcomers of the club for know the activities of the club. Newsletter is for all, not only we. You are also collect the information. We are just organizer for news publishing. Our work is publish the news. So we welcome all of you. If you know the details, just share with us. We publish it. As soon as we give the link for subscribing our newsletter, please share that link with your friends and known persons for increase our newsletter subscribers. And finally, this is my humble request to all the teammates. If you conduct any event, please acknowledge us. That is going to be useful for our newsletter team. And keep supporting us. Thank you for wonderful opportunity. And thank you.
Thank you, Tamilarasu. I personally feel that newsletter team is doing a good job, and we are expecting more improvements from the team, and I believe it will improve eventually. So then now we have Anutkar Cheris, who spent his time to build the Discord servers as it is today. So please, Cheris, present your report as Discord coordinator.
Hello everyone, I am Cheris, Discord coordinator. A Discord server created for our club. To everyone in the club can access the material and the resources of their respective domain and other domain too. Our Discord server GCES coders acts as hub of members in our club. Various categories were created in our server for domains and common themes. Different channels such as discussion, resource, doubts were created within the domain so that members and head can interact very efficiently. Nicknames was assigned to each and everyone in the club. Everyone's nickname will start with the club ID and followed by their names. With the help of nickname, we can identify the members very easily. Head role was assigned to every common head and the domain head so that everyone can tag them and ask their doubts. Unique roles were assigned according to their domain and common teams. Discord leaderboard was created and the point will be updated by their respective domain heads and based on their activity in the server. By considering the feedback on our last meeting, new gaming category was created in our server. It acts as a relaxing and interacting zone. Members can post their invite code or room code if they need gaming partner. In future, we are planning to organize workshop and gaming work in Discord. We are also build specific bots for the future purpose in our server. Kritika in Club ID 2008 is selected as Discord coordinator. Have a great run. Thank you, Saran, for this initiative. Feedback is always welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Cheris. So now we have the event coordinator who is responsible for all our events, and he will present his report.
Thank you, Saran. Hi everyone. I am Gavaskar, event coordinator of the club. First, I conduct the domain awareness program in the college, and I conduct the team head meeting. My job is arrange the place for the meeting and make the checklist of the meeting, preparation and making schedules of the meeting, and list the who's going to participate the event and what happened in the meeting. I try to conduct the meeting without any issues and without any queries from the member side. As a coordinator, my job is conduct the event without any disturbance and delay. I am also provide your information about the event to the newsletter team. And if you have any issue, please acknowledge with me immediately, and thank you.
So that comes to the end of common team heads. Moving along, we will be presenting the domain team heads will presenting their reports. So first, I would like to call Sivaprasad to present his report in app development team. Please Sivaprasad, take over.
Hello everyone. Going to tell what we have done in past 1 month. I just had videos related to Java programming, basic programming, and I believe that everyone go through it. As we don't have enough time, we don't do any projects. But in future, we will going to do many projects and also big projects also. And I select Mohammad Harris as co-head of our team. That's all, sir.
Thank you, Sivaprasad. App development is one of the hottest industries in the market today, and the app development team have completed basics, and due to this short period, they have lacked some communication issues. So that's okay. So we will correct our mistakes and proceed ahead. So you are all going to receive a great project after this program. So app team will be working on that. So be ready, guys. Okay. So next we have AI head, artificial intelligence head, Mahendran, to present his report. Mahendran, please take over.
Thank you, Saran. I am Mahendran, head of artificial intelligence team. I am now going to read my team report. The report was launched on November 1st. Thereafter, the first team meeting took place on 2nd November. And we discussed what we are going to do that event. Every week we started learning about artificial intelligence. In first class, we learn about Python programming from November 2nd to 7th November. For that, the project work was submitted on 10th November. And the second class, we learn about Python models such as NumPy, Python, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib from 8th November to 14th November. For that, the quiz was conducted on 14th November. Finally, the feedback received from them. And Gogula Krishnan and Muthusalam, the two members are selected for co-head post. I hope this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mahendran. So we all know AI is going to be the future, and all the very best for artificial intelligence team to continue their work. And moving along, we have data science team head Ajit, who is going to present his report and his work. So Ajit, please take over.
Thanks, Sharon. Good evening to all. I am Ajit. I am the team leader of data science. I am here about to explain about my team done in this past 2 weeks in data science. Data science is combination of the scientific method, maths and statistics, data visualization, data analysis, AI, and even storytelling to uncover and explain the business inside burning data. In this domain, we analyze the past data in many events and predicted the future directions of the event. We implement the data science using Python. On November 5th, our team started to learn Python basics as to recall what we learned in first semester. I teached my team the basics in Python and conducted an exam based on the event on November 9th to allocate the club score to my team members. The exam was based on the Python basis which we learned, even though the member done well, but some of them did not understand the logic. So far, the next week from 10th November to 14th November, I taught and give the homework on the logic to solve the problem. I also give some resources such as a website so that the member will learn more. I also introduced them more tools such as Google Colab, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, and made them familiar to them. The team member cooperate well in online teaching mode and also answered well when I asked question while teaching. In next week, we will teaching them some libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib library Due to the event and the performance, I have selected the Siva Shankar as the co-leader. After finishing the semester exam, we will continue to learn the next part of the syllabus, which is statics, basics and the advanced level. Thanks to Charan and the college to organize the club and support us, so we can gain some knowledge in the programming field, and everyone who gives this opportunity to encourage the knowledge, which we will cherish them. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you, Ajit. So without analytics and data visualization, no company can survive in this industry. So data science team, take guidance and pursue with confidence. And moving along, we have the white hacker, Rajkumar, who is leading 10 hackers with him, going to present his report in the hacking and pen testing team. Rajkumar, please take over.
Thank you, Sharan. Hello everyone, I am Rajkumar here. As the hacking and pen testing head, I am excited to present our team report. As of now, our hacking and pen testing team have completed 2 phases of hacking. One is scanning and another one is information gathering. At the start of this club, I wanted everyone to learn Python, as the Python is a basic language required in hacking. So I posted some Python basics and other related stuff in Discord, and I gave time for this. Gladly, every one of them completed within a given period of time. So in the first week, we all completed Python basics, and we also covered VirtualBox and installing Kali Linux on it. At the second week, we started to learn some basics of hacking. I posted the basics of scanning. We learned some networking basics, quiz lookup to learn networking basics, scanning and information gathering. After the end of the second week, I gave projects to them. Most of them submit the project, but some of them didn't because they didn't have a laptop. So this is what the hacking and pen testing team done for 2 weeks. We cover the remaining tools and courses in the upcoming program. I am so happy for what I did for the past 3 weeks. So that summarizes the hacking and pen testing in the program. Thank you, Sharan, for this opportunity.
Thank you, Rajkumar. So hack the world, guys. So moving along, we have Vignesh, who is leading the biggest team in the club, and he is going to present his report. Vignesh, please take over.
Thank you, Charan. Hi, good evening everyone. I am your web development team head, Vignesh here. Web development team were studying hard for the past 2 weeks. In the first week, you guys were completed HTML basics, HTML forms, HTML graphics, and HTML media. At the end of the week, you have done an event based on HTML. You guys were created the forms, and it's wonderful that 8% of them were completed, and some of them were not able to complete it because they don't have a laptop or some other reason. And the UI UX design members are also have done some wonderful designs on the basic of the first week syllabus. And the second week syllabus, I said you to complete CSS. I think you all have finished CSS basics, and you're so happy you are completing your syllabus so fast. And after the semester exams, we are going to complete you guys are going to study CSS advanced topics and JavaScript. Within 4 weeks, you have to complete these 2 topics. After that, we are going to do some projects like creating a website for college and so on. And thank you for cooperating for the past 2 weeks and complete the given work immediate response. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Charan, for giving the wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Vignesh. So with that speech, we summarize all other teams, and finally, I will present the cloud computing team report. And after that, I will present the club report. So first of all, in cloud computing team, we took 2 weeks to gain the complete knowledge of Python. And I believe that everyone can script now Python. So we had 2 meetings in 3 weeks. In the first meeting, we took different problems and solved many problems. Everyone had their hands-on experience in problem solving using Python. So in the first meeting, we have solved many problems, and we took that as an opportunity and gained knowledge many things. After that, in the next meeting, I conducted nearly 4.5 hours to give some knowledge about Python object-oriented approach, and took them to the cloud computing journey. And I gave a small introduction about cloud computing. And due to time being, reduced the syllabus to Python, and I asked them to create a music player so that they can gain the knowledge in Python packaging. So out of 14 members, 6 members have successfully built the music player, and it is working well and good. But other 8 members are working on that, and they are slow learners, but no problem. They will complete the project, and they have promised that they will submit their project. So I am waiting for their project. And summarizing that is all about cloud computing team, and we have learned Python. Let's get into the club report. So this is the first year of GCS Coders, and with pride and joy, I am delighted to say that I took the initiative to HOD and she listened all my requests and granted it immediately like a magician on 20th October. So it's been a month now. So we have exactly crossed 1 month today. So moving along, I know it's been a month. We started the club to provide a gateway for the fellow students to get exposure for the industrial tech community. So and to gain assistance and to provide mentorship and to enhance their technical ability, we have started this club. So we have introduced 6 domain teams: artificial intelligence, app development, cloud computing, data science, hacking and pen testing, web development, and we have also introduced 5 common teams: competitive programming, blogging, newsletter, elegance of eloquence, which is for English proficiency, and finally we have industrialism. To explain all these domains, I took my chance on October 22nd and I explained as much as I could, and I have conducted 2 sessions that day, and I have conducted it for 3rd year as well as 2nd year. So in domain teams, they have performed domain specific specialized work, and in common teams, every member has to do their duty as stated by the team heads. So since this is the first year of the club, after the explanation about everything, we gave 3 days to all the students to sign up for the club. Based on the proficiency, team heads have been selected because this is the first year, and from moving along, from the next year, we will be conducting competitions to select the co-head. So for now, based on your club score, you will be selected as a co-head, and for the domain teams, we have selected 2 co-heads, and these 2 co-heads will compete each other and one will win, and all the selected candidates are the prime candidates for overall head, and we will conduct another event for selecting the main head. So he or she will be acting as the overall head for the next year. So moving along, on 30th October, all the team heads met their teams separately, and all the rules and events instruction in the club were given to all the members. So due to some issues, other team heads have met their team later in the first week of November, I believe. So finally, on the November 1st, entry-level training program was commenced. So we have started this entry-level training program for learning as well as sorting the team. So because we have nearly 90 club members in our club, so all the team heads reported their work, and so that summarizes the club report. And finally, as a last note, I would like to say that the secret of success is getting started. We started something which will help lot of future students, and we will lay the foundation as strong as possible. I would like to thank all the team heads for their dedication and sincerity for the club, and to all the club members, and for our HOD, Mrs. Vanitha Muthu. She has been exceedingly supportive, and our club coordinator Nagarajan sir, who also supported in many ways, and they started, as I took the initiative, she issued the email address on that day itself. After that, I would like to also mention that we will continue this work, and we will be consistent and determined to achieve more. And as the promises have been made, we have brought the GitHub campus program in our college, and after this program, we will issue college verified email addresses for all the members who have successfully completed the entry-level training program, and we will also issue certificates for completing this program. And thank you everybody. So thank you everybody for your cooperation and your dedication, and I want some recommendations from you for improving the club more. When I took this initiative to the HOD, so I am a single person. Now we are 80 members. So here we are with 55 members in the meeting. So please give me some recommendations. So in the past meeting you have given a recommendation, so I accepted that, and I have proceeded with the Discord coordinator, and he accepted it as well, and he created the platform for you. So do you have any recommendations so that we can improve the club? So if you have any recommendation, please raise your hand and unmute yourself and explain your recommendation, please. Anyone? So criticism is always welcome. So as well as you are appreciating, also criticize whatever we are doing. So criticism is also very important for improving. So if you have any critics, please let me know. So that summarizes. So no one has given a feedback. If you are feeling shy, let me know personally that you are feeling like this and you want to improve this club. Please let me know. So this event was successful. Next year it is going to be conducted in offline. Coders annual event will be conducted in offline, and we will conduct it in a grand manner, as an educational manner, not in a celebrating work. So it is not going to be a celebrating work. We will conduct coding competitions, and we will do the co-head selection, so etc etc. So next to overall head, whoever is going to be next to overall head, please make sure that you are going to be the responsible for the club, and all the congratulations for all the co-heads who are selected. Make sure we will do our best, and you have to do your best for your juniors. So thank you everyone.